Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel. This is your second week's exclusive weekly love reading for the month of February, starting from February 10th to 16th. Now, if you have a love related situation, complicated relationship or marriage, you can ask a question or think about a question. Then watch this reading, you will definitely get an answer. So your cards are out. You've got the Prophetess and the Chariot. And you've also got the Nine of Moons and the Empress. Okay, so I do see that you are a very intuitive being, Libra. You yourself believe in astrology, you yourself believe in tarot reading and stuff, or at least in the second week of February, your intuition will be very, very high. I do see that you will be making major decisions regarding your love life as to who to choose and why to choose that. You are not making these decisions out of love or being emotional, but you are smartly making this decision. That means you are taking your head and your heart together, which is very good way to make a decision, right? So I do see you are ready in some sort of way to settle down or to focus on your personal life, and your life is moving forward. I do see with the Chariot here, your personal life will start moving forward. You'll start meeting new people through friends, dating apps, matrimonial apps, whatever. But I do see you moving forward in some way in your personal life, maybe starting a new relationship. There's also a card of travel, which means either you are traveling and meeting somebody, or somebody specially traveling to come and see you. That could also be possible. So travel card is also there. Other two cards I talk about celebration. So definitely I do see some sort of finalization in your sort of rishta or something where you've decided that you've chosen this person and you want to maybe start a relationship with them or make it official in some way or get married to this person. So in the second week of February, you probably could be getting an engagement or a marriage, or you are starting to plan about engagement or marriage in the second week. That means you will be celebrating something soon or in the second week, or at least you will be meeting each other's family and celebrating this official news. So I do see you giving out that news where people are celebrating, because this is a card of celebration, because of which you will also be getting a lot of attention, right? So if you tell your family that yes, we both are seeing each other, we want to get married, so obviously everyone will be happy around you, everyone will be celebrating, so you will be doing that in the second week. I do see with the Empress here that someone sees you like an Empress, in the Empress energy. Even if you are a male, it doesn't matter, because Empress energy means a very loving and nurturing energy. So somebody definitely around you sees you, or your spouse or your partner sees you in a way that you're very loving and nurturing energy. They like that about you, that you have a good personality overall. And I also see you could be in your Empress energy, which means that when you're finding the right person, you're not stooping low, right? You're not lowering your standards when it comes to this person. So that means somebody sees you to be here, and if they want to be with you, they will have to level up and be here as well. So you are giving out that energy to the people you're meeting, especially if you're single and looking out. Also, if you're in a relationship or married, you are maintaining that Empress status. That means your partner knows that he will have to work hard and level up to meet your expectations, and probably he will be doing that because the cards are very good. So yes, you are asking your people around you to level up according to your standards, and they will be doing that as well, because they want you, because they see you in that energy, they want to give it to you. It's a very good card when it comes to your love life. Your love life is moving forward, you're celebrating, somebody sees you that like that. What better than that? And intuitively you maybe know what you need in your life, what you want in your life. So again, a very good thing, a very good week for you. So what you need to do is, if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram if you want to book any readings, personal readings, oracle love readings, or if you want to book any blockage removal ritual, you can DM me on the Moksha Tarot on Instagram, or you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. Okay, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.